how to remove suggested accounts on TikTok? Here's how. First, open the TikTok app and tap your profile in the bottom right corner. Tap the three-line menu in the top right corner to open the settings menu. Select Settings and Privacy to access your account settings. Scroll down until you find Contacts and Location, then tap to open it. Turn off the Sync Contacts toggle. After that, tap Remove Previously Synced Contacts and tap Remove again to confirm. Turn off the Sync Facebook Friends option as well. Turn off the Contacts option. Turn off the Facebook Friends option. That's it. After making these changes, TikTok will gradually stop using your contacts and Facebook friends to recommend suggested accounts. If this tutorial helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more quick and easy TikTok tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.